Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to turn on or how to enable the formula bar on your Excel on the top in your Microsoft Office Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to unhide the formula bar on your Microsoft Excel web. So first of all, open the Excel sheet. So now I can't see this formula bar on the top. So it's more important for making the formulas and to view the cells. So how to enable it or how to unhide it from the Excel. So the same process can be used on your normal software also. Go to the view section and here there will be an option called show. So it's just the formula bar was hidden. So just tick it, it automatically come here. Now you click a cell, you can see the cell number as B3 and also the formula bar has been enabled. You can use the same method for the software that you installed on your PC and also the web version. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.